side, lock it in, change your stance, and then gap it from the lateral side. Now, as with the wrist, the radial head does like a little bit of traction. So you'll see me sort of tractioning the joint slightly away. Now, when we locate the radial head, I'll shake his hand and I will just rotate. So I want to feel the movement on my thumb, which is here. Yeah? Then my thumb will sit behind the radial head. Thumb is going to sit on the carpals, 2 fingers over, because what I'm going to do is he's going to pour the drink away. As he pours it away, we're going to expose that radial head slightly up. Does that make sense? Yeah? So as we do this, that radial head is coming up, and then we're going to flick the fingers towards me whilst I am pushing away from me. So we will look like this. Pour the drink away, lock behind the radial head, compression, compression, and then you flick whilst pushing forwards and flicking towards you. Does that make sense? Now you'll notice my elbow locked into my hip. The reason why I did that is because it's a brace. Now it's a barrier. It means I'm flicking off the barrier. If I bring my elbow off, the chance of me putting a lot of power into it goes up. So I do it more as a protective mechanism. Okay? Now I'm going to build up the tension here. So what I'm going to do, instead of just smashing the joint, I'm going to go to the barrier, from the barrier, to the barrier, from the barrier, adding more and more pressure, and then hopefully at the very end, we'll flick it, we get a little click, happy days, everyone's the winner. If it doesn't click, don't worry about it, it's not a big deal. So we lock it in, fingers just on the other side, not compressing the cubital fossa, my elbow sits in my hip. Just relax the arm for me. Now you'll notice here, already we're just on. And this is mobilisation of the radial head. This is mobilisation. If this is all I need to do, this is all I'm going to do. All I'm going to do. If we want to add an element of thrust, we build the pressure, and thrust it. But you notice I